Hello, and welcome to another update video on SEI. The SEI chart has now reached the target or pullback area that we talked about in the previous update here between 25 cents and 29.4 cents. This is the standard support area for a wave 4. I would actually prefer a slightly wider wave 4, not necessarily deeper, but maybe time-wise a little bit wider, because this wave 2 also unfolded over basically nearly a couple of days. So this wave 4 is just a little shorter. Often the wave 4 has the same duration as the wave 2, sometimes a little longer. Not absolutely needed. I think we had a pretty perfect looking upside impulse here. Why? Because first of all, we saw a micro 5 wave move up from the 17th of June low, the corrective pullback, and then another 5 wave move up, which was long enough to be a third wave. Or let me just double check that. Is it actually long enough to be a third wave? It should reach the 138% extension. Perfect, yeah, was reached. And then I added the support area for wave 4, and this is now, if it fails here, typically after the third wave, right? So this is now a stress test for the bulls, and this is the area where the bulls should turn up if really this is turning into a 5-wave move to complete maybe a C wave or a larger third wave, but overall the trend is up as long as we're holding the 25.3 cent level. I did post yesterday on X, obviously a nice breakout. We had two Fibonacci support areas down here. Those were setups. Ideally, I would have liked to see many altcoins rally like it, but unfortunately, with so much dilution and too many altcoins around, not all of them will play out their setups. But those were nice setups. And someone commented and asked, okay, why do you say nice breakout? Didn't you say the chart is a disaster? Now, I don't think I ever said a chart is a disaster. It's a pretty, it's not a great chart long term. Don't know if you really call it disaster. I think there are other charts that deserve the name disaster. But yeah, it's not a great long-term chart. But that doesn't mean that on the smaller time frame we couldn't have a nice breakout, because it was a nice breakout. And it reacted to Fibonacci support, so it's currently following the structure. But yeah, long term, I mean, this is a pretty unclear chart. It is not a chart that is moving in a trend, okay? There's just a sideways range, essentially. There's no uptrend. There's no long-term uptrend. So what we see here right now, I just take it level by level, honestly. I want to see if it can get to 44.5 cents. If yes, then this move will be high enough to be considered really a larger degree third wave. Then we can add support for the larger degree fourth wave. Then we can see if it forms 5 waves. If yes, we have a larger 5-wave move. Okay, maybe that's another 1-2 setup. So with a chart like that, you have to take it level by level. You can't talk you can't talk about like all-time high targets and something and what's going to happen end of the year. It doesn't work. Not with a chart like that. We take it level by level. There are swing trade setups. If they break, next chart, please. So we have a setup here right now. Let's see if the bulls turn up here as well. Yeah, that's the update on SEI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.